Today we're reviewing the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium cleaner aiming for hands-off floor care. It promises advanced automation and obstacle handling for cluttered homes, positioning itself as a high-end option. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into its real-world performance. We evaluate how well this robot handles common household cleaning demands in daily use. The advanced 360-degree obstacle recognition system effectively navigates around cables and furniture, making it highly capable in even cluttered environments. Its automated docking station significantly reduces manual effort, as it handles both dust emptying and mop cleaning automatically after each session. The integrated vacuum and mop functionality performs well across different surfaces, proving highly suitable for homes with a mix of hard floors and rugs. With intuitive apps scheduling and precise room mapping, setting up and maintaining a consistent cleaning routine becomes incredibly straightforward for daily use. The MOVA P10 Pro Ultra excels at minimizing your interaction with its robust hands-off cleaning and smart navigation, making daily routines much simpler. We assess whether the feature set and convenience truly align with its price point. This robot vacuum boasts a very strong specification package, delivering premium features typically found in much higher-priced models within the robot category. The comprehensive dock automation significantly enhances daily convenience, truly justifying its cost for anyone seeking a low-maintenance, frequent cleaning solution. While the features are impressive, its less established brand name slightly diminishes long-term value perceptions compared to more recognized market leaders. It competes very effectively on features against many robots in its class, offering excellent capabilities, even if brand maturity remains a consideration. The P10 Pro Ultra provides a compelling feature set and high level of automation for its segment, though the brand's market position factors into the overall value. Here, we highlight potential downsides and considerations for potential buyers. The support system, availability of spare parts, and firmware history are not as established as with more recognized robot vacuum brands. While convenient, auto wash docks involve pumps and trays that require regular upkeep, adding a layer of necessary maintenance for users to consider. Like most robots, it may occasionally struggle with cords, pet waste, or highly reflective surfaces, so some pre-cleaning might still be necessary. Given the newer brand, securing a strong return policy is advisable until more long-term ownership feedback and product performance data become available. Buyers should carefully consider the less established brand support and the typical maintenance demands that come with complex, feature-rich docking stations. The MOVA P10 Pro Ultra is a highly capable robot vacuum and mop, delivering premium automation and advanced obstacle recognition features. While its brand is less established than top competitors, which introduces some long-term uncertainty for support or parts, it presents a compelling value proposition. We recommend it, especially if you can get it at a competitive price and ensure a good return policy. It's an excellent choice for those seeking high-end convenience.